How a joke about cake? Hey guys, it's Yani here. Today's video is gonna be another vlog. It's New Year's Day. No, it's New Year's Eve. No, it's the day before New Year's here in Canada. And we're gonna celebrate New Year's tonight. A lot of guests are coming over. We're gonna have dinner. We're gonna have lechon. Many of you ask, no, my cousin asked why there's no lechon during Christmas. Because lechon in Canada is so expensive. But we decided to buy lechon for New Year's because it's my mom's birthday as well. So it's kind of like a double celebration. Her birthday is January 2nd. So yeah, I'm gonna take you throughout the day. First, I'm gonna go to the mall because I'm gonna go work out. So let's go. Bye! Bye! Should I speak Bisaya again? Did you guys enjoy that Bisaya vlog? If you did, I'm not sure. I don't know, because I have viewers that only speak Tagalog or English as well. So I want everybody to know and understand. So, by the way, it's freezing cold outside today. As you notice, I'm so pale because this camera can't compensate all this brightness that God gave us. So I'll show you. So look how nice winter is. Nice, all the snow. But if you stay longer outside, it's gonna be so freezing and cold. But look how nice winter is. We're here. I hope you enjoyed my performance in the car. I didn't really dance anything. I couldn't let you hear the music because copyright issues. Whew. Ang lamig. 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 Hey guys, I'm not gonna vlog in the gym, so I'm not gonna show you the workout. I did a video already where I showed you the workout, so just check out my channel, look for that video. So right now I'm just gonna do a quick workout. I just finished working out. I did back today. I'm out of breath because I did cardio in the end. I'm so tired now. See this struggle in the winter? There's so many layers. It takes me 5-10 minutes until I can finally head out from the house. So I just finished gym and then now I'm home. Nothing's really gonna happen right now because I'm just gonna work on my computer and edit some videos and some pictures because I had a photo shoot yesterday. Nothing's gonna happen until 6 because guests are arriving at 6 for the New Year's Eve party here at our house. All the Filipinos again. So most likely they're all Bisaya again. See y'all at 6 p.m. Bye. Hey guys! So now we're preparing for the party tonight. We're just cleaning up the house. My mom just arrived from work. Hi! Comment down below if you don't clean up your Christmas tree until March the next year. Filipinos are known for putting up their Christmas tree for a few months. Oh gosh. My mom's cooking lumpia and this is my outfit of the day. OOTD, or outfit of the night. I just went for a very simple turtleneck. Bonk. Nothing too fancy really, so here's a full outfit. It's just some all black and stuff like that, so it's just very classy. So now I'm just gonna go style my hair and the party's gonna start! I'm so hungry! I didn't eat all day because of this party. Ma! 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 Ready na ma? Ready na ma?
Wala pa nabot ang lechon.
So we have the lumpia now. Order mig lechon, no?
Actually, this is a 3-in-1 celebration. Because
oh yeah, it's my mom's birthday on the 2nd.
My birthday and our anniversary, wedding anniversary.
Sorry. Sorry.
Happy New Year!
We have leche flan. We ordered lechon. We ordered. There's a lot of food. I'm so excited. Guys, this is my mom's best cake ever. So it's the best cake I've ever tasted since I was a kid. I love this cake so much. So it's like, she calls it chocolate moist, which lives up to its name because it's actually very very moist. And we have suman or binubod.
Wow!
That's it, pansit. The lechon is here. The lechon is here.
Kami ganito sa ibig. Okay.
I didn't know if it was possible. We only bought half the lechon, half of the pig. So like they slice the pig in the middle because it's expensive. So we got half of the pig.
My birthday is complete! Oh! Yay! They're gonna hold that one.
Pakita sa vlog, ma. Pakita sa vlog, ma.
Nasa man? Oh, na ako gift. And then, na ako wine. Patong switch.
Isulbang ko na ko yung sa kuwatan ng...
Patong regalo na ko.
Pag-ilis pa.
Pag-ilis pa. Patong regalo na ko.
Why, ligaw!
Sige, ilis mo.
Gusto ng mami, oy. Tesa. Dili maputol.
Paano siya na mapay-tag, ma?
Noon siya naman tao ni siya. Takiwa pa, taglo ha.
Happy birthday, happy birthday!
Butangan nila og pula.
Okay, smile. 1, 2.
Happy
birthday to you.
Bang.
Malo ko, ani.
Yes! Kailangan ba siya mag-scarf o what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Pagdali, ma! Pinisag mo!
I-shake lang ninyo, padaghan na kisa makauna o daghang mahurot ang bula sa box.
Wala na nila bukawas!
Hala! 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 Oh!
One more!
One more!
Yay! 6? Pili na ka no? Pili na. So, lahat na po.
Hey guys, good morning. It's the day after the New Year's Eve party we had here at our house, and I wasn't able to vlog last night because I fell asleep and I got so tired. So thank you for watching for this vlog, and I will see y'all next time for the next vlog. Today we're gonna go to Toronto to see Toronto at night and see some lights, and they're gonna drive me home as well because it's back to work and it's the New Year's and holidays over. So thank you for watching, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye.